Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make stir-fried abalone and broccoli. This dish is simple to make and can also be used as a delicacy for entertaining guests. It tastes delicious and nutritious, and is definitely suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive the simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please feel free to give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients are broccoli, carrot, mushrooms, small abalone, chopped garlic, and ginger. You can buy this type of small abalone, which is not expensive and tastes good. Chopped ginger. Carrot, peel off skin and sliced. Sliced mushrooms. Cut broccoli into florets. Wash and set aside. Place abalone and sauce separately. Stir-fry chopped ginger, then add chopped garlic and stir-fry. Add carrot slices. Add broccoli. Add mushroom slices. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, add abalone gravy, one teaspoon sal, add 2 tablespoons wat, abalone and stir fry. Stir fry broccoli with abalone is done. Place broccoli on plate and layer with mushroom slices and carrot, then place abalone on top. This dish is also very suitable for entertaining guests. Remember to save the recipe. Otherwise, I'm afraid you won't be able to find me. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Broccoli help lower cholesterol, maintain proper blood pressure, and promote cardiovascular health. The high content of vitamin A and antioxidants in broccoli promotes eye health and may prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. It is high in nutrients and has been shown in studies to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer properties. Abalone is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have a variety of health benefits such as lowering the risk of heart disease and relieving joint pain. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.